This video will discuss how insects survive adverse seasonal weather. Birds and mammals are endothermic animals. That means that they are warm-blooded and can maintain a constant body temperature based on their metabolism. By contrast, fish, reptiles, amphibians, and invertebrate animals are cold-blooded ectothermic animals and cannot maintain their body temperature. Ectothermic animals can easily freeze or become overheated depending on the ambient temperatures of their environment. Because insects are small, they have little body mass to retain heat and are prone to freezing. Likewise, because of their small size, insects have a small body volume of water, but a relatively large body surface from which bodily water can evaporate. How do insects prepare for a seasonally adverse climate? Insects survive adverse weather conditions by entering a physiological state called diapause. What is diapause? Insect diapause is programmed, stage-specific, arrested development to avoid seasonally occurring adverse weather. Dormancy occurs in both winter and summer. Quiescence is unprogrammed dormancy to survive unanticipated adverse climate. Summer diapause is termed estivation and occurs in response to hot, dry conditions. Winter dormancy is in response to freezing conditions. What are the benefits of diapause? Survival of adverse climate. To synchronize insect populations with food availability, for example, host plants, and synchronize populations for mate finding and reproduction. What causes seasonally adverse weather? The Earth tilts at 23.4 degrees to the perpendicular as it rotates in its orbit. This inclination results in the changing seasons as the Earth travels in its 365-day annual rotation around the Sun. March 2021 is the spring equinox when the day and night are equally 12 hours long. From March 2021 through June 2021, the inclination leans the northern hemisphere toward the Sun. This results in lengthening days and warming temperatures with a maximum long day on June 2021. This is summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. It is on this date that the Sun reaches its maximum northern latitude at the Tropic of Cancer. From June 2021 until September 22-23, the days begin to shorten in the northern hemisphere and temperatures begin cooling. At the same time, the days lengthen in the southern hemisphere and become warmer. September 22-23 is the autumnal equinox with equal lengths of day and night. From December 22-23 to December 2021, the southern hemisphere leans increasingly toward the Sun and has its summer with its maximum long day on December 21-22, when the Sun reaches the Tropic of Capricorn. The circannual cycle then repeats. How do insects prepare for a seasonally adverse climate? Insects monitor environmental cues to warn them of changing seasons. The shortening days and cooling temperatures of their respective autumns forewarn insects of the coming winters in the northern and southern hemispheres. The next scene will discuss how diapause is induced, its endocrine regulations, and physiological adaptations for survival.